What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is September 15th and this is probably one of my favorite times of the year. It is for the USACC group build. So this year was picked, well this year's picker for this year, or next year's group build I should say, for the 2026 USACC group build is probably one of my favorite persons. Has been there since when I started my channel and has been there ever since, you know, through my passion of this hobby, which is Fred Henry. Fred was a picker for this year and I just could not wait. So Fred has picked a pretty cool model and he has picked the 1969 Camaro kit from Revell. So it can be any kind of Camaro, it can be the Yanko, it can be the SS, Z28, whatever, as long as it's from Revell, 1/25th scale, and 1969 the year. And this is the one I got. I actually just picked this up at my Buffalo show last weekend. Got a pretty cool special plan for this one. I'm not gonna start it right away, but let's just show you my plans, what we're gonna do for this thing. So I know a lot of people are gonna be doing, I see quite a few awesome, you know, pictures people are posting on the Facebook group page of the USACC group build, and I know there's a lot of people are doing the stock car, people are doing race cars, people are doing drag cars, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen anybody post the one that I'm gonna do yet. I did give Fred a little teaser, and well, let's go ahead and just bring all the parts out here, and just like magic, it will be in your front of your face. So we're gonna be doing a wide body Camaro. This is gonna be pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you my plans, but let's show you the kit. We'll give it the kit, but this is all the parts that we're gonna be doing to this thing. Actually, not all of it. There we go. Yeah, we're doing a wide body. There is a picture on your screen of what it's gonna kind of look like. The wide body kit is from Black Box on Codes 3D and also on Instagram, and I thought that was the coolest freaking thing, and I just had to do it. So so the body kit includes most of this stuff, not all of it. Basically, right here is the wide body. So of course you're gonna have your fenders. This is so cool. So the fenders, here is your rear fender and stuff. This is gonna be pretty cool. You got your front splitter area, your rear wing, front spoiler or front diffuser, and you do have your side skirts and stuff, which is so awesome. And here is your undercarriage portion, that's where your exhaust will go and stuff. So that's that. But this is gonna be really cool. I always want to do a wide body muscle car. I kind of want like something like an older style as my Beetle, my body Beetle. Also, Black Box also offers a new hood. This is not included with the body, you have to buy it separately. But this is the hood that I figured to get for it. It has all these vents, they're all open too, which is so cool. So yeah, so we're going to be putting on the hood. For the interior, we are going to put a roll cage in this thing, and I'll explain why here in the future, here in a sec. But yeah, we got a roll cage. It's not like a full-on roll cage, it's like a partial roll cage. And then we do have some really nice looking bucket seats. These are super nice. Yeah, these are wicked slick. So we're gonna be putting those in the interior as well. Also for the interior, we do have a new steering wheel. We do have a fire extinguisher, and there we go, we have a hydraulic brake. So I'm pretty sure most of you may have guessed, we're doing a drift car. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a two-wheel drive Camaro, 1969 drift car Camaro wide body. So I kind of got inspiration off of Ken Block with his Unicorn Mustang. I figured, because you know, obviously Ken Block never driven, you know, he never did anything that's Chevy, but I figured kind of do something similar what his Mustang is, and because his Mustang was a wide body, and do, you know, basically do, not copy obviously, but do something similar to this Camaro. And yeah, that's gonna be really cool. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a drift car build with this car. These are the wheels that I got. The wide body kit does come with wheels, but they're not the wheels I was looking for. So we got these 5-spoke wheels. These are actually from Miguel over at Hobbyworks. I just measured them and stuff, and yeah, these are super cool. You can get the little valve stem on there. Miguel does an amazing job over there. So we got those. Obviously there's some fat backs and front skinnies. We do have some upgraded brakes, and we do have the small little hydraulic brakes hiding in there too. So we got our upgraded brakes. These are carbon ceramic brakes, as you can kind of see. So that's pretty cool. So this would be pretty neat. And then also for the engine plant, I was going to troll with Fred. I was going to put a Ford engine here, but I might not do Fred like that. We're going to be putting in a Chevy engine. This is a Chevy, I forgot the name of it. The picture of it is on your screen and the name of it. But this is a big block Chevy with a big old supercharger on there. Oh yeah. I think I looked it up. This produces about, well, it's over 1,000 horsepower. I think it's like 1,000 horsepower with a supercharge, which is so cool. So yeah, we're putting in a brand new engine in this thing. No, not brand new, this is the old engine, but 1,000 horsepower plus engine, this thing. This is gonna look slick. This is gonna look so cool. I hope it fits under the engine bay. It should, because it's not really that big of an engine, but that's gonna be pretty neat. And then for the color, I did actually contact Fred. Well, me and Fred text back and forth sometimes. So ask him what is his Pappy Red, because we all know Fred has a specialty color, which is Pappy freaking Red, he calls it. I kind of want to do that on this thing because that color that he uses is so damn bright, it's insane. So I want this thing to be popped out like crazy. I was thinking doing like a candy color, like I did it on my Volkswagen Beetle, but I was like, let me see what Fred has to offer. So Fred did say, so we're gonna be doing his famous red. So we had to pick up some. This is not primer, but this is pink paint. I could not find the pink primer anywhere, and eBay sounded kind of expensive. So I had this pink paint, or this hot pink, or what the heck it is, pink paint just laying around in my bin. I was like, I could use this. So we're gonna use gray primer, put on the pink base for the accent color for our bright red. So we're using this for the airbrush. But yeah, so it's basically pink primer and bright red. That is Fred's specialty ingredient for his Pappy Red. And if you've never seen his Pappy Red before, it is insanely bright. It's just incredibly bright on how bright it is. So I think this will look pretty cool with this Pappy Red, and it's just super Pappy Red. I think it will look pretty cool because, again, Widebody Camaro needs a pretty cool Pappy paint scheme. I was thinking doing white, or I guess a candy color, I'm not sure, but yeah, this should be really fun. So Fred, awesome pick, really awesome pick. I kind of figured Fred was gonna pick up some kind of Chevy, because obviously Fred's a Chevy guy, but yeah, 69 Camaro, I should have known, and this is too cool. So this is the way I'm gonna take mine, a wide body Camaro. We're gonna be doing a drift car build out of it. So obviously new seats, we're gonna put in a hydraulic brake, and I did check this kit because I did have to open my kit up, just kind of do some measurings, and I totally forgot the back seat is actually separate, so that's cool, from the interior bucket. So that's pretty neat. So we're gonna leave the back seat out because I want the interior to be kind of stripped, and that's where the roll cage is gonna come into play, because I'm pretty sure that goes to the back seat area. So look at cool. So we're gonna have a partially stripped interior with these nice bucket seats. We might keep, or I'm thinking of keeping the stock dashboard. We're gonna keep the stock dashboard and stuff. But obviously new steering wheel, and then obviously add the fire extinguisher and stuff to the interior as well. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a drift car, drift Camaro, kind of like Ken Block's Mustang, and this just should be cool. But alright guys, I'm looking forward to see what N.Y.S has to offer with this build. So it goes until March 15th, I believe. So we do have some time. So I'm not gonna start mine right away, but this is what I had to offer, and this is what we're gonna do my build as. So, but alright guys, this is awesome, and thanks again, Fred. Awesome. I'm so glad you are a picker this year. I was just waiting for him to be a picker, and this is awesome. So I'm not gonna disappoint you, Fred, because you have been there since I started my channel, literally in 2018 when I got into this hobby. And there were some people guys kind of doubting me down, telling me not to get in this hobby and stuff. This hobby's not right for me, and Fred kind of backed me up. He knows who I'm talking about. I'm not gonna get into that stuff. But alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.